Example, I'm just giving an example. In 2020 they have gone with the right issue. Right issue means only the existing shareholders of SBI can apply for the shares, to purchase the shares, or to subscribe or to get the shares. The only the existing shareholders are able to apply. This is known as right issue. Here this is also in a primary market. This issue will be going to be held in the primary market, right issue. In through right issue we are going to raise a long term funds, but we have given right to existing shareholders only. We are not asking the funds from all investors, you can say, all small savers, you can say. We are giving the right to existing shareholders to subscribe or to subscribe or to invest in our organization only. Existing shareholders. Okay, existing shareholders means the shareholders, those who have purchased the particular company shares previously. I have purchased in 1957, 1956 में मैंने परचेस किया है SBI का शेयर. I have purchased, but in 2020 they have given right. I can purchase the shares or I may not, but I have right. But the other small investors, they don't have right to, they are not going to subscribe the share, or they are not going to apply for the share. Right issue. Okay. The next part we are going to see this bonus issue. Bonus issue. Bonus issue means, bonus issue here, the company want to convert their general reserves into equity capital. General reserves means from every year's profit, some profit we are keeping aside as a general reserves. See here, from every year's profit means, again you can consider like in this year I have earned 1 crore profit. Out of 1 crore, after paying interest to bank and whatever may be the interest paying we have paid to debenture holders, then whatever funds remained, from that funds we are going to take some funds, some profit as a, we are keeping some profit as a general reserves. That general reserves has become huge corpus. Every year we have did that. Then what the company will going to do? They were going for expansion of the company, you can say. That time the general reserves they were going to convert into equity shareholders. Then they were going to issue bonus shares to existing shareholders. Whatever may be the ratio, they were going to decide 2:1 or 1:1, 1:5, 1:8. They're going to decide the ratio, you can say. Like I'm converting huge amount into bonus shares, I will issue, those who are having one share, they're going to get additional 2 bonus issues, 2 bonus shares. That is there in the primary market. Okay, all of you got this point, students? Hello, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now next point we are going to see employee stock option plan. Employee stock option plan, here the employees are allowed to subscribe the share. Okay, means they are allowed to purchase the shares. Means employee stock option plan, here we are giving a special right to the employees to subscribe our company shares. Okay, we are not allowed, we are not giving right to anyone, but only for employees. We are asking employees to contribute your savings in your in our company. Then definitely our company will grow. Or we will say that employees have also some responsibility regarding the organization. This employee stock option plan came and they have subscribed. Okay, employee stock option plan means employees are allowed to subscribe the share. That's it. Employees are allowed to subscribe the shares. They can subscribe or they may not subscribe. This primary market comes before the secondary market. Okay, the secondary market, here we are going to do a buying and trading. The primary market, first time market, we are doing this. First time market, first time we are issuing securities and we are collecting funds. It's the first time. That is known as primary market. Okay, students, all of you understood this primary market? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we will see the secondary market. Secondary market, the secondary market is that market in which the buying and selling of previous issued securities is done. and means that the buying and selling of the previous issued securities. Previous issued securities means whatever securities we have issued in the primary market for of that market, whatever securities we have issued in the primary market, that securities buying and selling we are able to do in the secondary market. Okay, whatever may be the securities we have issued in the primary market that we are going to trade. Like again, you will say the NSC on a BSE, the securities are listed and then buying and selling of the securities were going on. Okay, continuously. This is there in the secondary market. Okay, it's clear, students. Secondary market, the marketplace where the buying and selling of securities which are previously issued, that is going on. The transactions of the secondary market are generally done through the medium of stock exchange. Means there is medium of stock exchange like NSE, BSE, okay, Bombay Stock Exchange, Pune Stock Exchange, Ahmedabad Stock Exchange. There are different types of stock exchange for each of the particular countries. You can say particular state. You can say Kolkata Stock Exchange is there, Ahmedabad Stock Exchange is there. Okay, if you are gone with the, there are for the different cities there is stock exchanges are there, but they are not popular. But National Stock Exchange, NSE and BSE, these are two stock exchanges are popular, you can say. The chief purpose of the secondary market is to create liquidity in security. Okay, here because of this secondary market, there is a liquidity for the securities. Anyone want to immediate cash, they can go in the secondary market, they can sell their share and get the funds transferred in his bank account or in, okay. What is the purpose of this? To get liquidity, to give a liquidity, to create a liquidity for the investors. Okay, liquidity means whenever you require funds, you have shares in your demat account, you can go in the secondary market, you can sell and you will get the whatever may be the share price of that, whatever may be the share price of that stock, that much amount you are going to get. Okay, this is the purpose of secondary market where buying and selling of the activities were happening in the buying and selling of the securities were happening in the secondary market, which means the securities which are previously issued, that only. Okay, that is happening in the secondary market. Okay, the features, we will see the features of secondary market. It creates liquidity. The secondary market creates liquidity. Liquidity means in terms of liquidity for whenever the funds is required by the investor, he can go in the secondary market and he will sell the, if he is required, he will sell the shares and immediately he will get the funds, whatever funds he required. It will create liquidity, like there is a good liquidity means whenever you want cash, you can go, you can sell your securities, you sell your investment and get a cash. There are some securities are there where trading is regularly not happening, okay, regularly, or the securities which are low traded. Okay, high traded securities are there in the BSE and NSE. Low traded securities, I will tell you one of the securities. You can take an example, Profinance. Profinance, in this company, in this this is a listed stock, this is a listed security, but buying and selling is not happening regularly. Okay, the contracts are like whatever you want to sell the securities, immediately the buyer is not coming. You have to wait for buyer to come and to accept your order. If you want to sell, there are some points are that in some shares are there where the regularly trading is not happening, but the stocks which are listed in BSE and NSE, like Nifty 50 and BSE 30 stock, there is a trading is happening continuously. There is orders were coming in thousands or in lakhs, you can say. There is a huge liquidity there in the secondary market. Okay, it comes after primary market. The secondary market, I have told you, it is a market where issued securities were traded. Buying and selling of the issued securities will going to happen in the secondary market. Buying and selling of securities it will going to happen in the secondary market. Suppose the company has issued securities and the security is listed, then then the buying and selling of the securities will going to happen in the secondary market. Okay, if the securities are issued but it is not listed, the buying and trading of the securities will not going to happen. The company has to list their share in the on the stock exchange, then and only buying and selling we are able to do. If they are not listed, how we can do? Okay, it has a particular place. It has a particular place. We can say it has a particular place. You have you require demat account, or you have to purchase. There is a particular place like in a Bombay. You can go there. You can buy and do buy and sell the securities. The particular place is available for this secondary market, and virtually you can able to do. You can take the help of the brokers. We can say while doing a trading that can be happened in the secondary market. It encouraged new investments. The secondary market encouraged new investments from small investors. Suppose like again I will tell you the share price of uh, Gitanjali James. Gitanjali James, how many of you are aware about this name? Gitanjali James jewelries, Gitanjali jewelries.
Yes,
Hello
sir.
yes
students.
sir, yes sir,
who
जिसमें फ्रॉड हुआ था सर.
इसमें फ्रॉड हुआ था? ओके गुड. कौन था फ्रॉड करने वाला? Who was the
मेहुल चोकसी सर.
Mehul Choksi. Mehul Choksi had made a fraud in the Gitanjali Gems. Okay, और कौन था और एक? Mehul Choksi
नीरव
का था
मोदी
और
सर.
एक
नीरव मोदी.
Nirav Modi, right?
मामा
Nirav
मामा
Modi,
भांजे.
yeah, Mama, Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi. They have made a fraud in the Gitanjali Gems. The current price of Gitanjali Gems is 0.10. Current price of Gitanjali Gems. And otherwise you can take another example. You can take down the share price of Yes Bank. It is about 10 to 12 rupees, I think so, as per 10 to 12 rupees the share
Yes
price
sir,
of
yes sir.
Yes Bank. Okay, this like small investor will invest in the small price stocks also. Okay, if you have huge funds, you can invest in Britannia or MRF also. The MRF stock price, anyone can tell me MRF stock price? MRF stock
It's
price
around 70,000 sir now.
89,000 something. 89,000 rupees per share. If you want to purchase per share, you have to pay 89,000 rupees of MRF share. Likewise, the secondary market will encourage. Like MRF share was like last 1 year, it is growing regularly. From 63,000, I am tracking that share. It is now 89,000. Last year it was 63,000 rupees per share. Now it is 89,000 rupees per share. Okay, it is continuously, it is growing. The investors will invest also. Like anyone has purchased one share at 63,000 rupees per share. Now it has 89,000 rupees. See here, the new investor will be encouraged by the secondary market to invest in the stocks, okay, which are listed, and we can do a buying and trading. There is a liquidity is high for the stock. If you want to sell, go in the market and sell it out. Okay, the liquidity is high in the secondary market, and this market encourage the new investors. New investors, again one example I will tell you. Like in pandemic, in last year in 2020, in the month of February or in the month of March, April, you can say, the stock price of Tata Motors was 70 rupees at that time, in the April 2020. Now in the June 2021, the stock price of Tata Motors is about 340 or 30 something. 70 rupees, those who are invested in at that time in 2020, now they have gone. They have if they have sold that stock, is for 340 rupees or 330 rupees. Means that the new investor will be attracted to the secondary market. How the prices of the commodity will growing continuously. Okay, again I will tell you one of the example, IndusInd Bank. How many of you are aware about IndusInd Bank?
Yes sir, highly growing bank.
Highly growing bank, but 2 years back or 1.5 year back, maybe 2 years back, the IndusInd Bank was continuously going downtrend. It has gone to 230 rupees per share. Now again it has gone to 1000 rupees per share, above 1000. IndusInd Bank means that the investor will be encouraged, small investor will be encouraged to invest in the secondary market. Okay, this trend you are seeing, this much money is there in the market, then ultimately you are going to invest in the capital market. In the capital market, that is of secondary market buying and trading you can do. If you will find that this much money or this much profit, this much gains you are going to get, then definitely you are going to invest. It will encourage the small investor to invest in our company. Forgot about that. Regarding, I will tell you SBI. SBI share was 130, 140 rupees 1 year back. Now SBI share is 300 something. Okay, 300 something the SBI share price. 1 year back the SBI share was 130 rupees per share. 130, 150 rupees. Okay, there is a good opportunities for investor to invest in the secondary market also. Okay. Capital market investment take place through the bond market and the stock market. The capital market is basically the financial pool in which different companies as well as the government can raise long-term funds. Here we are going to raise a long-term fund through primary market, and we will give high liquidity in the secondary market. Okay, for investors. Investment in long-term financial instrument is accompanied by high capital market risk. Investment in long-term financial instrument, like again I have told you, those who are invested in Gitanjali Gems, okay, before fraud of Mehul Choksi and Nirav Modi, that time the stock price was 100 rupees Gitanjali Gems per share. Now it has gone to 0.1. There is a huge risk. Okay, there is a risk is there, but at the same time there are returns are there. रिस्क की
मतलब ये स्टॉक प्राइस जीरो नहीं होता है, मतलब ये इसलिए वो जीरो नहीं करते क्या?
नहीं जीरो नहीं होता है. मींस कैसे है, देयर आर नंबर ऑफ सेलर्स आर देयर इन द मार्केट. 0.1 मींस उसकी वैल्यू 10 पैसे है.
यस सर.
स्टॉक की वैल्यू इज 10 पैसा. ओके, it has 100 rupees stock was there before the fraud of Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi, Gitanjali Gems, Gitanjali Jewelries. Now it has gone to
10 paisa.
Not 1%, not 1 rupees. Means not 1 rupees means 10 paisa. Okay.
तो मतलब अभी ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं हो रहा है ना, लेकिन ये
ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं हो रहा है. The sellers are there but buyer is not available.
Okay.
The sellers are there in the market. The buyer is not available for this stock. Ultimately the price goes down if the sellers are more and buyer is not available. देखो आप वीकली बाजार में, आप ओनियन वीकली बाजार में 100 शॉप्स है. 100 शॉप्स में से 95 शॉप्स owners they have brought onion only. Then the onion price goes down. Okay.
Yes sir.
Likewise same happened in the capital market also. The sellers are more, the buyers are less, the prices goes down. The buyers are more, sellers are less, the price goes up.
Got it.
Simple fund. Okay.
Yes.
There is a huge risk in the capital market. Okay. Risk, how much risk you are going to take, that much return you are going to get. See here, if you are investing, if you are investing in venture capital. Venture capital means just a minute, just give me a second. Hello, all of you are able to hear me? Okay. There is a
yes, sir.
How much risk you are going to take, that much return you are going to get. Okay, again I will tell you one of the stock. I'm not getting Mejoco or MCJO. Likewise, the stock was there. They have gone with the stock split. Then the price is continuously improving of that stock. Okay, we'll see the Britannia also will going to go for stock split in near future, maybe. Okay, there are different types of stocks are there. How much risk you are going to take, that much returns you are going to get. Risk is equals to return. If you want to take a low risk, invest your funds in the postal of saving deposits or a bank FDs. You are going to get a return like 7% return annually. Okay, 7% returns on annually means you have invested 10,000 rupees today. After 1 year, you are going to get 10,700 rupees in a bank deposits or a postal deposits. Example I have told you. The risk is low, the returns are low. 10,000 rupees you are invested in the particular stock or in venture capital. Okay, in venture capital, huge risk is there. If the product clicks in the market or the product got a good response from the market and the technology succeed in the market, then only you are going to get returns. okay, new player entering in the market, and ultimately it has changed the condition of the market, then you are going to get a good returns if you are invested in a venture capital. But there is huge risk. If product fails in the market, you are going to lose your money. Okay, the value goes to 10,000, value will be of 1,000, or maybe 100 rupees will come. It high risk, high return, low risk, low return. So risk. So since there are two types of capital market, the stock market and bond market, we have seen. So risks are present in the both the markets. Risks are there in the both the market, like stock market may be risk hai, bond market may be risk hai. Risk is there whenever you are coming from your home to college, there is a risk. Okay, there is a risk in everywhere, there is a risk. Okay, students, now I am going to end the meeting. Thank you for attending. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
One thing I want to ask you, how many of you are doing your exercise, portfolio management exercise? Regularly, you have to do every week, you have to do a buying and selling of the securities. Every week, every Tuesday, all of you have to do the buying and selling of the securities. Hello, all of you are aware about that?
Yes, sir.
Pallavi, Shubham, Sagar,
सर एक बार वापस बताना सर, मैं लेक्चर में नहीं था वो।
लेक्चर में नहीं थे वापस? ओके, अभी कौन बताएगा?